Welcome to another edition of Morgan's Edward Street End of Week Wrap for the 6th of October. As usual, Matt will give you a rundown on the week in a minute, and then Cam will give you his take on his favourite pick for the week. This week saw the release of Morgan's monthly publication, The Investment Watch. This is a great edition with ideas on how to position yourself for a market that has been range trading for pretty much the past year, and a rundown of the retail, health, infrastructure and telco sectors. Michael Knox also gives his take on unemployment, wage growth and the RBA. If you'd like a copy, please contact your Edward Street advisor for a copy. Also, please note that the following comments are general in nature, and please speak to your Edward Street advisor if you wish to know if any of the stock recommendations suit your personal needs and objectives. I'll now pass over to Matt for his summary. Matt?
Yeah, thanks Brad. Not a lot of movement this week on markets, so we'll keep my report brief this morning. Our market trades a little higher this week at around 56.80 points today after a pretty uneventful week on the news front, with the RBA keeping interest rates on hold on Tuesday. Commodities are almost unchanged as well from last week, although copper made a move back above $3 a pound last night, which should be good for copper stocks today. I mentioned last week that the US dollar index is starting its move, and this move continued, with the US dollar index moving higher and sending our dollar weaker, now below 78 cents. Over the coming weeks, I suspect this is one aspect of the markets investors should be focusing on, as the stronger US dollar will benefit offshore stocks including Macquarie Group as the US currency continues to strengthen. Also, portfolios invested in US dollars will not only benefit from recent record highs, but also the currency conversion back to Aussie dollars. On the stock front, there has not been a lot of news this week outside of the lithium plays that are enjoying a pretty strong run up this week. The blue chip stocks are continuing to battle a little up until the seasonally weak period ending in October passes. Telstra continues to slide and can't seem to find the bottom yet at $3.40, and Woolworths have crept up the shorting list as investors ponder how they will turn around the $150 million in losses stemming from Big W each year. Morgan's high conviction stocks in the blue chip space are the familiar Westpac Bank, ResMed and Allsearch. Over to you, Brad.
Thanks, Matt. On my left we have Cam, who will run through his key buy for this week. Cam?
Thank you, Bradley. This week I've been buying Motorcycle Holdings, ticker code MTO. Motorcycle Holdings, as the name suggests, is a motorcycle dealership operator with 34 franchises. Motorcycle Holdings is Australian based and operates in Queensland, New South Wales and the ACT. Operating in a highly fragmented market, Motorcycle Holdings this week announced the acquisition of Carson's, a leading wholesaler of motorcycle accessories, for $123 million. The acquisition will immediately add 26% to EPS on a pro forma basis, and this will complement their existing motorcycle dealership business. In addition, you can expect plenty of synergies to be realised by integrating the two businesses over the coming years. Motorcycle Holdings has demonstrated the ability to acquire successfully. However, this is not simply just a roll-up business. In fact, this company has proven over the years the ability to grow their organic earnings as well. FY17 was another strong year for the business, whereby new and used motorcycles grew 21% and 13% respectively. Any significant weakness resulting from the stock going ex-entitlement for the capital raising should, in my view, be seen as a buying opportunity. The stock traded at $4.89 at yesterday's close and is at a large premium to the $3.85 raising price. Morgans are currently in a research blackout period, and I would suggest interested investors should keep an eye out for updated research in the near future. Thanks, Brad.
Thanks, Cam. Last Friday saw the listing of ANZ Capital Notes 5, which was code ANZPH, with a healthy high of 102.09 this week from a $100 par value and gross floating rate distributions of 3.8% above the 90-day swap rate. Investors are indeed happy. Next week, we see MCP Master Trust list on Monday, which is code MXT, and State Gas, which lists on Tuesday, code GAS. Well, that's it for another week. Please feel free to share this video with your colleagues and friends, and make sure you like the Morgans Edward Street Stockbroking Facebook page. And also, please, underneath this video, please subscribe to the page. Have a great weekend, and we'll see you again next week.